dig the new Volvo XC40 but wish it looked just a little bit sportier? Well, apparently you're not alone. So as attractive as we may find it already, Volvo has come out with a new exterior styling kit for its entry-level crossover to give it a bit more flair. The rugged yet sporty exterior styling kit includes a stainless steel lower body trim that looks more aesthetic than the functional underbody protection often offered on off-roaders. It also includes a rear spoiler extending the roofline a bit over the rear window and a set of 21-inch diamond-cut wheels. Nothing too outlandish or over the top, just a little dose of added attitude. As Motor1 points out, US pricing and availability have yet to be released. But those same 555-spoke wheels are already available as a $2,680 option, including performance tires. Recently named European Car of the Year, the XC40 represents Volvo's first foray into the increasingly competitive compact luxury crossover market. That puts it up against other, relative, newcomers like the Cadillac XT4, Lexus NX, Jaguar F-Pace, and Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Together, they take on established players like the Acura RDX, Audi Q5, BMW X3, Infiniti QX50, Land Rover Discovery Sport, Lincoln MKC, Mercedes GLC, and Porsche Macan. The baby Volvo also ushers in a new compact modular architecture it will share with its new sister brand Lincoln Company. Those new models will embrace an even sportier styling direction. So if it's elegance you're after, the new top-of-the-line 9XC40 inscription may be more to your taste.